welcome to Kama Studios. And Ghana Immigration Service etimi akwachichi eyankofo kobi na nkofo ben misraw jagwa na memfa nsemi na ansomo. They are looking for possible deportation of these people and they become one seven. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end and then share it to your friends and your loved ones to also get to know whatever is trending on the media space. Now I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Kama Studios and so subscribe to our platform on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Kama Studios na bientiminya kama. Opoku ileja. And they had to say Ghana Immigration Service for Aya Dibia Ghana football members. So, Bukra de any age say Omotimi ISRD. Dear story in Ecoso Ghana Immigration Service and Ghana football members.
The trending news are Ecoso Ghana Accra Buso Kain say Ghana Immigration Service for Aqua Reste Kayo for Bimu SRS there. So, Mufri jail or Mufri Togo, we don't know the specific place Ankasa or Mufria. Almost stressed the moon crowd, almost stressed the moon pain, almost stressed there. Ewa busu kaya, she said. Almost saw their crown, I say, when you be a mom cramp, but almost say you do attempt guso. Sanko Fono. Say, oh, now no mukitamu. Yeah, my shape of my yes. Mrs. Jeremy was in Jamu. Ah, she said, a bimokra abesunya, a tree language na to the Spencer Mutimi, me a casacra di bube. Yeah, Ness, or Mona almost as is canon. The tree to the say, or meet the Casacra side the boo, baby. So, oh, and it's a Kofukuenan. Ghana Immigration Service, what I say, young man, in fact, few women, dear, young Cassan, Timon for the Yemu female, the bat, go for your madam one thing, or when you baby or mother, Nippo need baby or Dana. Besides, send you a infant or private. I infant I just ordered now, according so. What do you are? A guru. And the Ghana Immigration for what I say, who say, Sanko Fukui crack can be. And I'm a fin. Ah, never be a coso or many more street night or Montias and we say, Fini Niama Nema a coso, say, or would do much to mine. And Sano, San and Kufukuya, Ghana Immigration Service, with match. The whole Ghana no me operation, and I say, was specific place here. And Ghana Immigration Service for me acquires this arresting. Oh, for now, dear. To be specific, Accra Buso Kain and a Ghana Immigration Service for Aqua Arrestee Sanko Fukuya. They are looking for possible deportation. Yeah, the possibility of Ghana Immigration Service taking these people back to their root, you know. Very, let's say, is 80%. 80% because some people are there. You don't know a specific place and Casa Nipo of Niger or Togo, and you don't know. Yes, you more your man time, you have. Na bi kitabin sa na de chini e ma hye bebre yeah odruk masia adum besin twem ko bante masade bebre even kra se okota kra de kra na we aduma kesekla omu ho bebre omu sesere ade se even say Ghana when say ye ji ahoho mo but this specific people say even so komo o manum ye aduma they even contribute to the development of the country. I'm not sure because name o mo ye mu say some year Juma and a day more be added Emma tax or Juma sir or sign S. car 1 year you can do attempt and say sir Nemana Sam Kofukun a yeno me say Yakas a nation building they don't contribute anything to our nation building. Yes, a which once Uncle for Cree. I'm on a boy, come on, no man, no more money fee. But they don't do anything. I because be okay. Any more okay, but some people are those same people. Some people are there. You see, they are doing if you go to Kumasi, Kenya, some people are doing Kenya. They are doing the Kaya. Yeah, when you even go to the new market, you see some people are there. They are carrying the buckets. See, I'm not talking about and Ghana Immigration Service. I'm not talking about these people, but specifically, or more money nama bontia, or Mrs. Scar, yes, but nani bomb that Drakwan we said a risk crowd or mine. Too bad, sir. And the sound of Ukona, Ghana Immigration Service for Abuso Kain, Amako arrestee or more. They are looking for possible deportation. Say, will be able to Makunu crew now. Your mind is there. Okay, Chinese news. Okay. Eti way if a year Opoku ledger and anom and watch it story 20 news. Ekoso mining watches Ghana Immigration Service. More Abuso Kain etimi aqua operation deport these people from a year one country. We air 20 news. Go for be any aje. If you so era ho.
emi wa adwin comment section ase hi Karma Studios ene Opoku Elijah na di news no e di free Accra aboso kwan e di ma say dabi these people omotima deport your more they have arrested them by looking for possible deportation. I Karma Studios, follow us and subscribe to our platform on YouTube so there be updates be around 70 marker. Sticky the Superstar is the name and I had Nananum here today and finally out.